We have a tag of 6. So then you would look here and you'd find tag number 6, Amber Theater, deck 5, 8:45 to 9 a.m.
All right, everybody.
We are out of here.
We're
out catching thrills for one last time.
We're officially homeless for a little while.
We're not. We have a home.
We have to get home first. Okay.
I'm ready.
Safe travels.
You too.
Bye-bye.
Bye. Good day.
We have people to assist for the dog.
I'm sorry.
That's my fault.
It only has 2 wheels.
Yeah. All right. We are heading down to
The Amber Theater.
Amber Theater.
I think that's what it said.
Yeah.
I don't know, I'm just gonna go. Like, if you go too early, your bags won't be ready and won't be out yet.
Well, I went.
Okay.
Not awake yet.
They're not?
No, I just said not awake yet.
Yeah, I haven't had coffee. I didn't call.
Hello, ma'am. Are you carrying your luggage with you? Or you give
No,
what
it's-
number you are? 6. Just go ahead to Sorrento's. Now they call until 4, but 6 on his way.
6 is just about.
Yeah, just go ahead.
All right, thank you.
No problem. Hello, so that's it. You're going? Who's gonna sit?
All right.
Did you say just to go?
Hey.
Or wait?
Just to go. I think she just said just to go. I don't remember. Coffee. I had Red Bull. That should count for something. Everybody's waiting to exit. We could ask.
She said we can go, but is 6?
For 6?
6 is good?
Okay. All right, Merry Christmas. Be safe. Okay. That was easy. Might have to get that button. That was easy. All right. Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye. All right. Here we go. We're leaving the ship. Ooh, it's a little chilly. I didn't bring my jacket. Good morning. This is the fastest I've ever seen Valerie walk. Speed demon.
No, it was like we were walking like, I was walking like a slight faster.
Right. I understand.
Now it's facial recognition.
Yep.
Birth certificates to the right, passport to the left. Birth certificates to the right, passport to the left.
All right.
Birth certificates to the right, passport to the left.
All right.
Step up just a little bit. There you go. Thank you.
Thank you. All right. And we just walked right through the.
I can go on the escalator with my bag.
Yeah. Okay. We went right through. What the hell is it?
Ma'am, we need the free hand. No, you need it. Here we go.
Okay.
You need a free hand.
Oh, a safety thing. So we went through the customs, or immigration, and
Yeah.
customs.
We gotta go get our bags in number 6. And then we head to the shuttle spot and then we go home.
Yes. And there's bags over there. And then you just find your tag number.
Great holiday.
And you find the area where your tag number is, and then you can follow
All the
where
way over there.
your bag is going. So we have tag 6. So we go find tag 6. Okay. I see a big 6 ace right there. This is pretty fast.
Don't jinx us yet.
I know, we have to load the shuttle too, so. Good morning. I see yours, Valerie.
Let me get in there and get it.
I don't know.
Can we just open this to get our bags in there?
Yeah.
Just I'll open it up for you.
Okay,
I don't know how. I
I
don't
see
know what the
one.
rule.
I don't either, because
No, well, I gotta see. We're not open yet here, so this section's not open. That one is. Yeah, it comes next. We have to go numbers by numbers, 4 through whatever.
Okay.
The corner, please.
Okay.
you see yours.
No, I'm still looking. Okay, so apparently they let off in the numbers because the port has a timeline to do certain lots of bags.
Okay, what's your number?
6. Okay, so 1 through 9. Wow, that was amazing. Alright. Okay. So, Valerie's bag is right here.
Always easy to find.
Oops, sorry.
I overpacked.
Okay.
Hey, babe,
What?
how much do you love me?
Okay.
Do you love me enough to take my bag and I'll take yours?
Okay. Alright. And here we go.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Alright, so we're heading out now to the shuttle to go to the parking. Merry Christmas. Good morning. Alrighty. Heading out. Uh-huh. Good morning. Oh. Lighthouse shuttle is what we take. Right there. Thank you, you too. Merry Christmas. Okay. Thank you. Okay. Okay.
Are you on lot 3 or lot 1?
Lot 3.
Do you have your ticket?
It's in the car, but
Okay,
yeah.
I can.
Let me,
Is it the orange ticket?
yeah.
Yeah, you're good, you're good.
We always use Lighthouse.
You want to make sure.
Right, thank you. Can I put this back there also?
Yeah.
Thank you. All right. So we made it to the parking lot. Our tips are in the bucket.
Yeah.
Our car decided it's gonna go home before us.
Is it gone?
No. Okay. Yeah, I'll take yours. You take mine.
I can give you a hand if y'all need a hand.
No, it's good.
Oh, we're good.
I
I just got a backpack, but yeah, that tan one.
Mine does too. That's why I keep taking
Yeah, I gotta take hers.
That's it, guys. Folks, y'all have a good Christmas.
Merry Christmas to you. Be safe.
We're going to work, I think, Friday and Saturday. The rest of it.
All right, babe.
I'm missing my Louis Vuitton.
Uh-oh. Did you put your kids on the bus?
Might be with your CD Walker out.
All right. Now, we are parked over here, right there. See the DV tag?
No. Oh, there's my car.
So it's already 8:33 a.m. 49 degrees. It's cold, but we're already in the car driving home.
And the air conditioner's on.
And the air conditioner's on. Brr. But we're already on our way home. That was the fastest disembarkation ever.